Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and non-scientists alike for centuries. Today, we will unravel this mystery through a simple yet fascinating experiment. To start, gather 3 essential items: a clear glass container, water, and a flashlight. The glass container needs to be transparent to allow light to pass through, and the flashlight will act as our source of light, similar to the sun. First, fill the glass container almost to the brim with water. This water represents our atmosphere. Next, position the flashlight directly above the water-filled container. The flashlight, in this case, is taking on the role of the sun. Now switch on the flashlight and observe. Notice how the light spreads out in all directions when it hits the water. This is similar to how sunlight behaves when it interacts with the Earth's atmosphere. The light scatters, and we see it in all directions. But why blue, you may ask? To answer this, we need to understand a bit of light physics. Light is made up of different colors, each with a unique wavelength. Blue light has a shorter wavelength and is scattered in all directions by the tiny oxygen and nitrogen molecules in our atmosphere. This scattering, known as Rayleigh scattering, is more effective at the shorter wavelengths, hence why we see a blue sky most of the time. However, as the sun begins to set, it appears lower in the sky and its light has to pass through more of Earth's atmosphere. This longer path results in the blue and green light being scattered out and away from our line of sight. What's left are the beautiful hues of red, orange, and pink that we often associate with sunsets. So, in a nutshell, we owe our blue skies and stunning sunsets to the phenomenon of Rayleigh scattering. It's quite fascinating, isn't it? The way tiny molecules in our atmosphere can have such a profound impact on the way we perceive our world. This experiment, while simple, sheds light on the complex interactions between light and matter. It's a reminder of how science is everywhere around us, influencing our daily lives in ways that we often take for granted. Thank you for joining in this exploration of the science behind our blue skies. Remember, never stop questioning, never stop learning. Because in the words of the great Albert Einstein, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing,